In eastern Arizona, Petrified Forest National Park contains one of the world's largest concentrations of petrified wood. Huge logs of stone and countless broken chunks are strewn about the ground in vast profusion. Spectacular areas of the Painted Desert lie within the park boundaries. Approximately 225 million years ago, this was a prehistoric jungle with a river system larger than anything on Earth today. Volcanic eruptions filled these swamps with ash, adding silica to the water. As the trees died, they fell into rivers, and like a sponge, soaked up and retained the silica-rich water, where it crystallized into quartz, duplicating the original wood patterns in perfect detail. The Blue Mesa Trail in the center of the park descends into the convoluted badlands of gray, blue, and purple mudstones. But there's more than just petrified wood. This area is a treasure trove of prehistoric fossils, species which have never been found anywhere else on Earth.
We're here in the fossil preparation lab at Petrified Forest National Park, and this is actually a pretty important place for what we do here in studying the paleontology, the fossil animals of the park. Finding the fossils out in the field, in the badlands and stuff like that, and collecting them is just the first step. The next thing we need to do is actually remove the rock from these specimens so that we can actually use them for research or for education.
So in a natural history collection, one of the most important cabinets that you can have is the type cabinet. And what that is the cabinet that contains all of the material that's been described in scientific publications. So this, for example, is the world's oldest crawdad. You'll never see another one like it because there's only one known in existence. Essentially, in a type cabinet, if it's new to science, it ends up in here. We've got over 90 different species that have been described from petrified forest and nowhere else in the world.
Ancient plants and animals aren't the only ones who left their mark in the stones here. 10,000 years ago, early peoples left behind numerous petroglyphs and unique structures like the agate house, built using chunks of petrified wood. For visitors meandering through the park, an ancient Indian legend about this place might seem quite reasonable. It was said that these prostrate monarchs of the primeval forest were the shattered bones of a fallen giant. Today, the landscape here is immeasurably different, but who can doubt that once there were giants here?